Fight school, what's going on, guys? I hope this video finds you good. We got Alex in the gym, we're banging mitts, we're looking sharp. I feel every one of those punches. Let's work some footwork. Today what I want to do with her, because we've made sure that she's punching hard, I want to put her in position, put herself in the best position to throw this body shot right here. Boom. So you can see it, she throws the old 1-2, it looks good. Guys, remember, when you punch, you leave a hole. You gotta cover that hole by moving your head or putting your hand back where it was after. Look, it starts here with a jab, continues with the cross, her head's already moved. But watch what happens next when she moves her head to throw the cross. Not only is it away from what we call the fight line or the line of fire, like if I threw my cross I'd miss, but she's landing. And she did all that in a fraction of a second. 1, 2, in the fight line, 3 way off the fight line. Boom, boom. So she did more work than I can to counter her, and she's out of the way. That's called boxing. Versus slugging or punching, and she gets a good body shot out of it, right? Look at that, foot's on the outside. It's out of the fight line, and she's got all target, right? She could go for the ribs. And she's doing a good job today, I must say, of keeping her legs equidistant. So this is where you gotta know as a coach what your fighter's best at. Are they have great reflexes, getting their hand back to their face? Well, you want to test them by throwing your own punches. Alex's cardio and stamina is second to none. So what I like to work with her is keeping all that stamina, like usable stamina, so that I can have her punch with authority. Like here, look, I have her come in with the uppercut, combo, and come back out. It's a good way to work her footwork. And look at the pattern she draws with her feet on the floor. It's in and out. Look at that footwork. It's gonna be hard for me to counter if I'm her opponent. And it sets her up for a good body. Look at this, 3-4, she's out. She moves around me in a triangle, and she steps back in, loads up for the body shot, which will land. Right there, right? Boom, got the great head movement, gonna land the body shot. I love it, I love it. And this is one thing that I test her on, and she's out of the way for a great jab, I love it. And I say that to say, guys, when you work the mitts and you got your fighter, your partner working the mitts, it's about distance, range, and footwork. You can test the footwork by having them set up for body shots and uppercuts, in and out.